Tradition Goes On, written by Shri Deepankar Shom, published in the year 2018. Recently, I had the occasion to come across a story of a family which devotedly followed the traditions laid down by their forefathers and passed on the culture to the next generation with deep faith. That is the beauty of the Indian joint family system, which honored the word of elders with much respect and faith. One of my friends in one of our family get togethers recently shared his experience of his past life in a city where forefathers' avocations were devotedly followed by generations in families. This friend started his career in the early 80s and was posted in a city where he stayed in a rented accommodation. He used to purchase daily needs from a nearby shop. The shopkeeper was a middle aged man and well mannered. His habit of gossiping mingled with his humility was the point of attraction for others. His son, an adolescent perhaps, used to help him occasionally, particularly in the evening hours at that shop. My friend left that city after 3 years on transfer. Incidentally, he came back to the same city after 30 years. This time, by virtue of position, he was allotted a bungalow. With time, many changes had occurred. A number of shopping complexes and malls had come up. Once on a Sunday, out of curiosity, he came out to locate his earlier house where he had lived. He could not find it as it was dismantled and apartment had been constructed in its place. But to his utter surprise, he could find the grocery shop in that same place. He approached to the gentleman sitting at the counter and asked hesitantly about that person to whom he had met 30 years back at the same counter. After a pleasant smile, he told, "Sir, he was my father and died last year. My father put hard labor to start this business, and I was helping him during those days in the evening hours. After graduation, I have devoted myself fully to this business." He further added, "Sir, my son, who is hardly 10 years old, is also helping me after finishing his homework." While leaving the shop, my friend could notice a framed photograph of his father on the wall. While my friend was sharing this one, suddenly I remembered a story which I read in my school days. The story was written by S. Wajid Ali of pre-independence era, who was a writer, nationalist, and barrister at law and served as a presidency magistrate. The author described beautifully some phenomena of traditions. One aged person, along with his grandson, used to read Ramayana regularly under a banyan tree surrounded by some villagers. The author visited the place after 25 years and observed the tradition being continued under the tree as if the time had been stuck up there. Being astonished, he asked the elderly man, "Sir, I have come here after 25 years and I notice the same when I saw 25 years ago." The old man calmly replied, "You are right, sir. That time my father was reading Ramayana with my son and I was busy in cultivation. Now my father is no more and I am reading Ramayana daily with my grandson and my son is busy in earning livelihood. We all feel it is a pious job and accomplishing with devotions." Here, the author added a beautiful line: "The same tradition is still going on." In fact, walking on the footsteps of parents is very common in our society. One may find deviation from this on many occasions as per our present need and mental frame. But if the profession of parents is adopted by the offspring out of love and respect, that speaks a volume and sets examples for others. Thank you very much.